In this problem, we're going to solve a triangle given the length of two sides and the measure of an angle opposite one of those sides. We want to solve the triangle with A equal to 3 units, B equal to 7 units, and angle A measuring 40 degrees. Well, you use the law of sines to find the angle measure of angle B. We'll have the sine of B divided by B is equal to the sine of angle A divided by A. So the sine of angle B divided by 7 is equal to the sine of 40 degrees divided by 3. I'm going to isolate sine B by multiplying both sides by 7. So the sine of angle B is equal to 7 times the sine of 40 degrees divided by 3. This gives us that the sine of angle B is equal to roughly 1.4998. Now there is no angle B for which the sine of that angle is greater than 1. Therefore, there is no such triangle with the given measurements.